Today we're going to be talking about what I think is an essential medication that everyone should have on hand in case of emergencies. Ich-X is one of the most common illnesses we can encounter in this hobby, and typically it does come from, new fish that are stressed from shipment or other issues that arise from stress in our fish. Now, there are several theories that if ick is all present at all times in our tanks, or if something brings it on. Personally, I have found that when my fish get stressed from something like a drastic temperature change or other stress factors that are going to weaken their immune system anyway, that's when I've noticed ick being brought on more. But this video is not about ick, it's about this great medicine that we should all have on hand just in case. Now, Ich-X is Hikari's version of an ick medication, and I have kept a small bottle, the regular size bottle, on hand ever since the first time my fish got ick. One of the benefits of Ich-X is that it has been made to not be as harmful to scaleless fish, our shrimps, our snails, or our live plants. Now, other medicines can be harmful to those, which, is an issue, but myself and others online, I have not seen too many people complain that Hikari's medicine does hurt those things, and, it is marketed to not harm those things. Now, the main ingredient that's going to help your fish fight the ick is Malachite Green, which is just an antimicrobial medicine. Now, the downside to using this product and other ick medicines is that it will stain anything that's clear or white. So when you add it into your tank, your water is going to be blue. The water is going to look like you took blue food coloring and just dumped it into your tank. Don't worry, don't freak out. That is normal. Your clear airline tubing will be stained blue. Your hands are going to have some blue on them. Your clothes will get stained. Fortunately, it does not come out of your clothes or your airline tubing, or even sometimes your clear silicone on the sides of your tanks. Now, as far as treating a tank goes, the bottle is going to tell you to isolate the sick fish in a quarantine tank. Now, I'm lucky that I have smaller sized tanks. I just treat the whole tank, because if one fish has it, I'm just going to assume every fish in that tank is going to get it or already has it and just isn't showing the signs of having it. Now, I get if you have a bigger tank that's over 120 gallons, you're not going to want to treat the whole tank because you're going to go through the meds faster. You're probably also going to have bigger fish, so it makes more sense just to isolate the fish and treat them that way. So I can see why you'd want to treat just the individual. First of all, you're going to want to remove any active carbon you have in that filtration system, because that active carbon will zap this medicine and pretty much make it not effective at all. You're going to want to do about a 30% water change before you use the medicine, because as we all know, clean water will help our fish with or without the meds. That's like when your doctor tells you to drink fluids. How are we going to give fluids to our fish? Do a water change. And then you're going to add about 5 milliliters of Ich-X per 10 gallons of water. You're going to repeat that for at least 3 days until you notice your fish are ick-free. I think the longest I've gone is about 7 days before I noticed that my fish were fine. Now, if you go online and you research ways to cure ick, you're going to see a lot of places are going to tell you to increase your temperature to 82, 84, 86 degrees, add salt, do massive water changes, and add the medicines. Turning the temperature up does speed the life cycle of the ick up, which kills it faster. Adding salt is a way to improve slime coat and help our fish's oxygenation, because the higher the water temp goes, the less oxygenated your water is, which means there's not as much oxygen for them to breathe. So those two together makes sense. The water changes also make sense because fresh water is going to help your fish. Now, personally, I only do the increased water temp with salt in tanks that, one, don't have corridors in them, and two, if I don't have the medicine. So the first time I went through ick, that's what I did. But I found that if you do all 4 of those things together, that my fish, I feel, got way too stressed out, and it actually ended up costing me more fish than if I just did a straight treatment with the Ich-X. I had a community tank, I did all 4, I lost about half my fish. Had it break out in a 20-gallon tank, treated it with Ich-X, didn't lose anybody, didn't turn the temperature up, didn't add salt. So I think just using the medicine, if you have it, is the best route. But again, what works for me is not going to work for everybody. So if you want to experiment and find what works best for you on curing ick, there are so many different ways and theories that people have to cure it. Find what works best for you, and then you'll know going forward if it ever happens to you again. Now, overall, I'm going to go ahead and give Ich-X a 9.75 out of 10, simply because of the staining issue, since, you know, I have lost some decent t-shirts to Ich-X getting on the t-shirts. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching the video and the continued support on all the content. Remember to leave a comment down below. Let me know if Ich-X is your go-to medication for treating ick, or if you have your own treating regimen or medicine that you use. And until next time, I'll see you in another video.